Welcome back. Happy weekend to you guys. I just want to make a quick reaction video to a post that one of our brother made, an Igbo guy from Delta State. You see, when I told you that being an Igbo or being Biafran, that you want to, you are just pure or called Biafran or Igbo person. Some of you misunderstand it, and some people from other tribe, not other tribe, other states like Delta State, River State, Akwa Ibom, all these surround all these states that surround the so-called five Igbo speaking states, seeing themselves less Biafran or less Igbo than others, which is wrong. This our brother is from Delta State, Igbo guy, original Igbo man. All right, he understands the problem. He is more Biafran, more Igbo, more indigenous than some of people who claim, "Oh, I am from the five states, from Anambra, from Enugu, Abia, Imo, Ebonyi." It's not. It doesn't add anything at all. Who you are, what you do, what you say, your action, in fact, determines who you really are. Some of us that are expecting Biafran freedom, talking about Biafran freedom, expecting to bring Biafra, that we hope that Biafra will come through you. Your action is to benefit yourself, how to enrich yourself. You want to be noticed. You want to be seen as a leader. Your target is firm, but some people from Delta State, River State, Akwa Ibom are more Biafran, more Igbo than you, and that is why I want you to listen to this. What this guy said here, I don't know how to put it, but just pay attention so that you understand what he said. He actually trying to pass a message to Igbo people about what's going on in River State at the moment. That not every fight you see as an Igbo man that you chook head. For example, if Bini and Yoruba begin to have any issue now, don't throw yourself there in the name you want to talk, you want to make peace, you want to be seen as a savior. Why doing that? The people will use it to settle the matter. It had been an issue that our people are facing from time immemorial, from the beginning. Remember, the cause of Biafran war is not just about negotiation in Aburi. Before then, something happened. The coup, and what made Nigerian soldiers then choose to, overthrow the government. On an attempt to settle problem between Northerners and the West, which is Yorubas, Igbos invested their much interest than even Yoruba could do, and the Northerners. And who later suffered it? These two people team up and then go against Igbo people. Since that time until now, any issue that happened in Nigeria, Igbos will be the one to suffer it. The question is why, and you see some people still trying to repeat the same mistake. Now, only since I was born, only just last election, that the so-called election where people decided to contest another, which we are someone like me, I said it here many times that P2B coming as a president is something that Igbo people should not pray that will happen. Okay, and as God may have it, he did not win. As God may have it, he did not win. Some of you may say, "Oh, you don't want him to win." Yes, I don't want him to win, because I know the economy and the Nigeria is going. There's no way he can do anything meaningful. Or imagine what he's doing now that he lost the election. Imagine what he would have done if he win election. It's all about pleasing the North. Please don't make them sad. Don't make them sad. By so doing, who will be making sad? Who will be sad then? Of course, our people. Go and check Goodluck Jonathan, his state as a president. What did he do? He was busy making to please Alamajiri, to make them happy. Then why his own people will be in the tears? And I'm not going to say much about it, but this guy actually reminds us of what happened before the war. How Igbo people were, was trying to put things in order because the West are going through battle with Northerners, because the conquest that people are fighting against today to colonize or Islamize everywhere. That's when they wanted to do it. and the target was to start it from the Oduduwa land. Then Igbo people stopped it by that queue and all this thing you're hearing today. But because of that, Yorubas joined hand down and telling you Igbo people that you have been conquered, you are this, you are that. Just understand it very, very well. I'm not going to say much. Let us watch this video.
They're going to give us. They're going to give us a republic. Let all the Ijaw people storm it. Let us be as many as possible in that place. Storm Tinubu, hashtag Tinubu, storm him. Let us combine with the Igbos. While we are agitating for our own country, we combine with the Igbos so that this country will break off. They are mad.
What is the first tactic that should be used to divide this country?
There are strategies. If we want those strategies, let's create a WhatsApp group and then decide it there.
I've repeatedly said this. The difference between who fail and who will pass exam is the ability to remember. That is a favorite quote from my father, Justin Iwelunwa Kogolome. He so rest in peace. But I always add to this quote that even if you forget in the 21st century, internet will never forget. Why are they just becoming desperate these days? Why? These same people that said that we are the enemies of Nigeria are dragging the Igbos into this matter. We want, as we are destroying, we will join the Igbos. No, I beg, Igbos are not the one destroying Nigeria. Please. The last time I checked, some of you claim that the Igbos are the problem of Nigeria. So, we are not destroying Nigeria. We are not the problem of Nigeria anymore. Now, we now have common enemies. Look at the post now. Somebody is now saying, why is Igbo people doing like this? They should now know that we should join together. When did we become allianced? So we are fighting common enemies. You guys that lie against the Igbos, look at this other post where somebody said that Aguin Rossi is the one that killed Dakaboro. You people think that internet will forget, even if some Igbos have short memories. You think that internet will forget? In fact, you even went as far as to say that we are killing some of your people during the Biafran war. That we brought war to your people and kill your people. I can go on and bring some facts. Because this one they will say allegedly. No, this one is not alleged. Some of you make these comments. It's full everywhere. Now you want us to be friends. That we have common enemies. We don't have common enemies. Let me tell you, in fact, now we enjoy Nigeria, we the Igbos. No, Nigeria should drag us to their problem. You should fight your fight. You are fighting for Kobo, which is an Igbo community, because tomorrow you want, even if you lose, you want Kobo to align with you because you want to claim that Kobo is a job. This same narrative is what started the civil war. Two brothers are fighting. Igbo want to do good. Awolowo from Ejabu is fighting his brother Kintola in the west. They drag this matter so they have to give a state of emergency, send Awolowo to prison in Enugu. Just because the Igbo feel like it's okay to put mouth, let's settle this matter. My brother Chukwumanzogu decided to plan a coup to counter the problem and install the Awolowo so that peace will reign. That single act led to the civil war that killed millions of Igbos, over 5 million Igbos, the ones they were able to count. It's not quite 1 month that Babangida just launched a book claiming that coup wasn't an Igbo coup. Now that we are trying to come out of it, that everybody is now beginning to see that it's not Igbo coup, you want to drag us into another matter, please, on behalf of Ndi Igbo, I beg you guys, don't drag us onto this matter. And Igbo people should not involve in this matter. Every time you will find a way to bring Igbo, we are not the one destroying Nigeria. The last time I checked, we don't destroy Nigeria. After all, in Nigeria, they destroy us. Yes, Nigeria is the one destroying us, not we. because our potentials are not utilized in Nigeria. We don't give in equal opportunity in Nigeria. We are called different names. The last time I checked, I was called a Biafra. I was called a Southeast. I was called a dot in a circle. Your brother, your so-called brother, Sari, has been insulting the Igbos because he was campaigning for the same Tinubu. Brought a gun and showed to the public. Told the world that his father sold the Igbos as slaves. Yes! Suddenly, Tinubu that he was dancing for, Tinubu mandate with a stand, Asawana in Abuja has become his enemy. We have become enemies of, no, we are not. We can never. The same wicked that they're fighting you now, fight Peter Obi not to win election. Kill the Igbo boys during the NSAS in River State. So you want us to, no, please. We don't have common enemies. We don't. You people even voted against Peter Obi. You people even voted against Peter Obi. Now they deny him. I have evidence. That was why the election favored the APC in River State. Shebi una they claim now be majority for River State. Who do am? Na me. Now we do am. It favored the people in River State. When the Igbo stood for 8 good years, Buhari marginalizing the Igbo, called us a dot in a circle, sent Python dance to the Igbo places to kill the Igbo youth because we stand for Jonathan and a German. You people have forgotten that now you want us. No, please. Any woman. See, I'm making a post, they share posts concerning this matter, but we are not involved in this matter. I'm posting it because I want people to know what is going on. And that's why I'm making this so that in the Igbo, I'm putting it so that Igbo will know we are not involved in this matter. Everybody should leave Igbos alone. What is all this? Any small thing in Igbo? No, we are not destroying Nigeria as well. Nigerians are the ones destroying us because Nigerians are spoil our name, call us different thing, insult us, put allegation on top of our head. Somebody, you are now bombing. Have you ever seen an Igbo person bombing Nigerian mineral resources? There's coal in Enugu. There's crude oil in Abia. There's crude oil. There's gas in Imo. Have you ever seen us in Igbo? Even me as from Delta. Have you ever heard that they destroy any facility of Nigerian listen and is Delta Igbo that did it? Yes, because all you were full ndokwa, full ukwani. All you were full ndokwa, full ukwani. Have you ever heard us say we destroy any of those facilities? No, we don't. So how are we destroying Nigeria? Don't drag us onto this matter. Let it be clear that Igbos are not involved in anything. Now, we enjoy Tinubu. Tinubu is not a horrible president. He's the best president. And that is the truth. We are enjoying Tinubu. After all, he promised to give us a normal state. We are waiting for it. We started by saying we want to unite the Igbos in Nigeria. That anywhere Igbo man find himself, like me and Igbo man in Delta, we know so we'll get to Robo for Delta. Now, some of you come online say, we are South. You don't need to drag us. Igbo people should go with their 5 states. After all, South landlocked the whole of Southeast. Now you want us to become... No, okay. That's why some people, when they say some of you are saboteurs, people will not understand, because anybody that speaks with 2 mouths is a saboteur. You must be consistent with what you are saying. I'm out of here, Joe.
I want to toe the line of the last speaker, my leader, the chairman upstream. Secondly, Honorable Minister, I came from oil and gas producing community and one of the major oil and gas producing federal constituency in Nigeria. Honorable Minister, your ministry has not been fair to Ndokwa and federal constituency. It will interest you to know that Ndokwa federal constituency hosts over 8 oil multinational oil companies. It also interests you to know that Ndokwa federal constituency is a constituency that also generates 960 megawatts of electricity to Nigeria today.